Hello and welcome to the news bulletin on Goa 365 with me, Priska DeCosta. The Chief Minister Digambar Kamath led the state in paying tributes to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, as he garlanded the statue of the leader at the Gandhi Chowk at Old Goa this morning.
In his address to the gathering, Mr. Kamath articulated on how the message of Gandhiji was being recognized the world over today.
आणि ज्या विचाराचे चलत ताणे जगात आश्चर्यचकित केले म्हणजे सगळे जग आश्चर्यात पळत उरले की अहिंसक मार्गात ब्रिटिशांचे साम्राज्य गांधीजी निखावपाक शकतात हे त्यांना जगात दिसून आले. तेच विचार घेऊन आम्ही जर मुखार वचत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता ह्या देशाक परत एकदा जगातल्या उच्च स्थानाचेर व्हरपाक आमकां मदत करता.
Mr. Kamath, however, lamented that the citizens of the country themselves were not following the ideals of one of India's greatest proponents of peace.
जे विचार घेऊन गांधीजींनी स्वातंत्र्या खातीर चळवळ उबारली, ज्या मार्गान गांधीजीन आमकां स्वातंत्र्य मेळोवन दिलें, स्वातंत्र्य मेळटकीर सगळ्यांक दिसतालें देश वतलो. पण आज आमची परिस्थिती जर देशाची पळयली म्हाका दिसना की आमी गांधीजीन घालून दिल्ल्या मार्गाचेर वतात. वेगवेगळ्या कारणाक लागून झगडी, वेगवेगळ्या कारणाक लागून धार्मिक कलह, वेगवेगळ्या कारणाक लागून टेररिझमाचे अटॅक असे जे वातावरण देशात चल्लां म्हाका दिसता आज संपूर्ण देशाच्या नागरिकांनी इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करपाची गरज आसा. आपल्या कॉन्शियन्सा भितर हात घालून विचार करपाची गरज आसा की खरेंच ज्या स्वातंत्र्या खातीर गांधीजी आपली विचारसरणी घेऊन मुखार गेले.
Religious leaders of various faiths read passages from the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible and the Quran.
भगवान म्हणतात कर्म करण्याचा तुझा अधिकार आहे, फलावर केव्हाही नाही. तू फलाच्या हेतूने कर्म करणारा होऊ नको आणि कर्म न करण्याची आसक्ती धरू नको.
तुम्ही तो बसलो ताची शीज ताचे तशी आयले तेन्ना तांचे कडेन उलोवन अशें तो शिकूंक लागलो. कशी मनान गरीब ते सुभागी सोदीचे राज तांचे.
The State Congress Party also observed the 139th birth anniversary of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, this morning at a function held at the Congress House in the capital.
The Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik, President of GPCC Subhash Shirodkar and other dignitaries of the State Congress Party paid floral tributes to the Mahatma. The Chief Minister Digambar Kamath in his address to the gathering emphasized the need for the youth to imbibe the principles of India's greatest leader of peace, Mahatma Gandhi.
The proposed upgradation and expansion plans of the existing Dublin airport in the state has been the bone of contention for a long time now, with civilian authorities claiming that the Indian Navy was not cooperating with them in their endeavour to spruce up Dublin airport so as to meet international standards.
In an endeavour to help clear the air on the issue, the Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry organised a discussion at its premises yesterday. The Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik spoke first as he highlighted how the state government had to plead for land from the Indian Navy to set up an airport in their own land at Daboli.
Goa needed an airport. Airport Authority of India needed land. And when we pleaded with Indian Navy, Goa government land 1,840 acres lying with them without title, and we are just begging with Indian Navy, please give us some land for airport. And ultimately till today 34 acres have been given. There was also some controversy there. 34 acres out of 1,840 acres of Goa government belonging to us, occupied without title by them.
Mr. Naik went on to further say that very surprisingly the Airport Authority of India had no documents to prove the transfer of land to them from the Indian Navy, which goes to prove that the Navy wanted to maintain a stronghold over the said land.
Even these 34 acres of land, Indian Navy has not transferred by way of any legal document to Airport Authority of Goa. No document. Just why? One reason, simply, they would not like Airport Authority to be the legal owner of this land. One possibility. Second possibility, how can they at all execute a document when they themselves do not have title to 1,840 acres of land?
The Rajya Sabha MP emphasized that the issue at hand was expanding the Daboli airport and not the proposed airport at Mopa.
The real fight now is that we should have expansion of Daboli airport the way it was planned.
A natural man loves his children, but only a cultured man loves his parents in old age. That was the message of the Directorate of Social Welfare as they celebrated International Day for Senior Citizens yesterday. The Minister for Social Welfare, Ramakrishna Davlikar, symbolically announced the implementation of the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act 2007 that puts the onus of caring for parents and senior citizens on their children at a function that was held in a city hotel to felicitate senior citizens of the state who have made their mark on the social fabric. Amongst the 31 senior teachers, social workers, authors, etc. felicitated on the occasion were the state's National Congress Party President Dr. Wilfred D'Souza and former Minister Luis Alex Cardozo. Speaking at the function, Dr. Wilfred D'Souza opined that the government's scheme of providing 1,000 rupees per month to the senior citizens could be reviewed at regular intervals.
आजच्या दिसाच्या ह्या पासत कॉस्टलीनेस ते पुरो जायना आनी हांव मागता की आमचे मंत्री कडेन की थोडे फावटी ताणें रिव्यू करूंक जाय आनी पळोवंक जाय प्रायस रायज कितलो जाला खर्च कितली वाडल्या आनी त्या प्रमाणे लोकांक आदार दिवंक जाय.
Speaking to Goa 365, the Minister for Social Welfare, Ramakrishna Davlikar, informed about the schemes implemented for the well-being of senior citizens.
The rules are to be done. Act is implemented from today. Senior Citizens Act is implemented from today. The rules are to be done. We have considered everything in that. After implementation of the rules, we will take care of all the citizens of Goa. Maintenance is there. Then if somebody is not looking after their parents, that will be taken care by Social Welfare Department and all. Provision NGOs can make old age homes and they can also take care of senior citizens. आज जो एक्ट हांगा इम्प्लिमेंट जाला त्या एक्टांत आमी ट्रिब्युनल घाला. हो ट्रिब्युनल कित्याक आमकां की जर आपली भुरगीं आवय बापायची भुरगीं जर त्या आवय बापायक जर पळयना जाल्यार तांणी नोटीस दिवपाची ट्रिब्युनला मार्फत ह्या भुरग्यांक आनी भुरग्यांनी तांकां सांबाळपा खातीर 90 दिसांचो टायम आसता आनी त्या 90 दिसांत जर भुरग्यांनी तांच्या भितर कॉम्प्रोमायज जायना जाल्यार तो जो ट्रिब्युनल जाला तो जज तें डिसिजन दितलो.
Goa 365 also spoke to a few senior citizens who expressed their happiness at the government's decision for implementing the scheme.
I think it is a correct decision because there are many parents, old people who have no one looking after them. They are living in small houses. Sometimes they don't get proper food even. And when they are put in homes for the aged, they don't even go and see them because I visit homes for the aged and I know how many of them cry and say just tell our children to come once to bring the grandchildren. They don't.
मला असं वाटतं की कुठलेही आईवडील किती मुलांनी त्यांना वाईट वागवलं तरी आईवडील मुलांबद्दल तक्रार करू शकणार नाही आहेत. मग याच्यासाठी सोशल वर्करचं खूप मोठं काम आहे. जर शेजारच्या घरामध्ये काही होत असेल किंवा गावामध्ये जर कुणाकडे असे आईवडिलांचे आबाळ होत असेल तर ते सोशल वर्करनी जाऊन ते तिथपर्यंत पोचवायला पाहिजे. आईवडील स्वतः जाऊ शकणार